subtraction? Yes, subtraction means difference, take away, very good. Give away, remaining, very good. Yes, so we all know that subtraction means we will be taking away or give away from a things or object. Okay, yes. Now what I am going to do is I am going to have a revision on, we are going to have a revision on properties. Okay, you are going to send me the answer. I will be asking you as the dash Phillips and you are going to answer me. Okay, are you all ready? Shall we move? Yes, for the questions whichever I am asking. Okay, it will be in a blank and you are going to answer me. Okay, yes. Okay, so when we subtract the first property, when we subtract the same number from itself, the answer is in dash. Yes, can I get the answer? 0, yes. So when we subtract same number, we get the answer. We get the answer as 0. If it is 5 minus 5, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Likewise, 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, second question for you. Okay, when we subtract 1 from a number, we get the number just before, sorry, dash before it, dash it. When we subtract 1 from a number, we get the number dash. Before number, we get a number before number. Yes, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. Yes, very good. Okay, now let's move on to third property. When we subtract 0 from a number, we get the number as dash.
Same number 5.
Same number. So we will be getting the same number. Very good. Yes, so last property, the difference of a number and the number just before it is dash. The difference of a number and the number just before it is 1, right? Very good. Those who have answered in the chat box, let me read out the names. Meenakshi, Krishi, Ojashvi, Mahavidya, Puvri, Ojashvi, very good, Kana, superb. And those who have tried also, I will be giving you all a very big star. Okay, super. Okay, now let's move on to the, yes, now let's move on to next slide. In the last previous class, we were seeing about the abacus, right? Abacus, how to do using an abacus, how to do using the longs and unit cubes, right? So now we will be having a small glance on the abacus writing. When we are going to represent on the paper, you will be striking out, right? So we are going to see just one sum in that and then we will be moving on to the upcoming pages. Okay, yes. So take out your textbook and turn to page number 113. Take out your textbook and turn to page number 113. Okay, there you have a sum, right? 57 minus 37. Okay, now say me which is the greatest value? Which is the greatest value? 57 or 37? Which is the greatest value? 57 is the greatest value. Okay, now say me which is the smallest value? 57 or 37? Which is the smallest value? 37. 37 is the smallest value. Very good. Superb. Okay, so on when we are going to represent on the abacus board, okay, in the written manner, which number we will be representing on the abacus board? For which value we will be representing on the board? Higher value or the lower, smaller value? Yes, for 57. For the value 57, you will be representing on the board. Okay, what is the takeaway number? What is the takeaway number? Which number we will be taking out? Which number will be striking out? Yes, the striking out or takeaway number is 37. So we will be taking out or striking out the number 37. Very good, superb. You are all clear with this concept, right? Okay. So now let's move on to next. Turn to page number 114. Okay, turn to page number 114. Okay, so you're all good with the concept. Let's move on to the next concept. Math textbook, page number 114. Okay, subtraction by counting backward. subtraction by counting backward. We have already seen about counting backward, right? In addition, we will be counting forward, and in subtraction, we will be counting backward. We can subtract numbers by counting backwards using the number line. Yes, we all know the number line from 0 to 99. If it is addition, the frog will be jumping forward. If it is subtraction, the frog will be jumping backward. See here, the jumpy frog is on the number 47 in the on the number line. Okay, he jumps 5 numbers back in the sequence. Sequence means the ordered numbers. Can you see the ordered number? 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. So these are the ordered numbers. So when the frog jumps back 5 times, what will be where he will be reaching at the last? He will be reaching at the number 42. Yes, here. Initially he was sitting on the number 47, and from 47, he is jumping backward 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. So he is jumping backward 5 times. So when he jumps backward 5 times, then he will be sitting. He will be sitting on the number 42. 42. So that is our answer. Okay, shall we do this with the mind calculation? Yes. 47 in the mind. What is the initial number? 47. Biggest number? 47. 47 in the mind. 5 in the finger. Before 47. 46. 45. 44. 43. 42. So where we are now? We are in 42. Yes, so that is our answer. We have done the answer correctly. Superb. So shall we do with a few more sums for better understanding? Yes. Oh, something happened. Okay. So math, the same page number 114. We have 2 sums. Okay. This also we are going to do it by the counting backward. Can you say me how many steps we will be jumping backward for the first value? 44 minus 3. So how many steps the frog will be jumping backward? 3 times he will be jumping backward. Yes. So from 44. Yes. Shall we do it in the mind calculation? 44 in the mind, 3 in the finger, before 44, 43, 42, 41. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 41. Very good, superb. Shall we do for the next sum? Yes, 68 minus 5. Okay, since we have single digit number after the minus, we are going to do it easily with the mind calculation. Okay, yes. So 68 in the mind, 5 in the finger, before 68. What will be the number? Before 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63. So what will be our answer? 63. So our answer will be 63. Okay, hope you can understand this counting backward concept. Okay, now we are going to move on to the vertical subtraction without borrowing. I want you all to follow it in your textbook. Okay, page number 114, vertical subtraction without borrowing. Okay, in page number 114. Okay, Mandavi has 3 necklaces of 10 beads each and 5 loose beads. We all know that in one bundle we will be having 10 sticks. In one bundle we will be having 10 sticks. Okay, if it is a set of necklace, one set of necklace, how many beads will be there? In one set of necklace, how many beads will be there? Yes, how many beads? 10 beads will be there. Okay, in one set of necklace, we will be having 10 beads. In one bundle of stick, one bundle, we will be having 10, 10 sticks. In one bundle of pencil, we will be having 10 bundles. Okay, video not visible. I am not showing any video here. I asked you to follow. I asked you to follow it in your textbook. Okay, that's why I have given the heading here. Do not see the slide here. Kindly see your textbook. Vertical subtraction without borrowing. Okay, this is already we have done so many times. Okay, so we it is so we are going to see it in the textbook itself. Okay, yes, read along with me and understand the concept. Okay, yes. So Mandhavi has 3 necklace of 10 beads each. So 3 necklace means one set of necklace has 10 beads. If it is 3 set of necklace, how many beads will be there? 3 set of necklace, how many beads will be there? 30. Very good, superb. 3 set of necklace, yes, 30. In one set of necklace, we will be having 10. So in another set of necklace, we will be having 10 more, and another set we will be having 10 more. And she's having 5 loose beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 loose beads. Okay, so totally how many beads she's having? Totally she's having 35. She's having 35 beads. Okay, so from this 35 beads, she gives one of the necklace and 2 loose beads to her sister. Okay, she's having 3 set of necklace and 5 loose beads. From that 3 set of necklace and 5 loose beads, she's taking away 1 set of necklace and 2 beads. So what will be the answer for that? If it is 1 set of necklace and 2 beads, okay, what we will derive? What is the answer? Yes, it is 12. 1 set of necklace which is equal to 10 and 2 loose beads that is equal to 2 ones. So it is, the answer is 12. Okay, the answer is 12. Okay, so what she's going to do, she's going to take away from 35. She's going to take away from 35. Okay, so for 110, okay, for 2 ones, let's strike out 2 loose beads from 35. Okay, for 2 loose beads, let's take away 2 loose beads from 5 loose beads. Okay, for 1 set of necklace, let's take away 1 set of necklace from 3 set of necklace. Okay, so 2 ones I have taken from 5 ones, and 10 ones, that is 110, I have taken from 3 tens. Okay, are you all clear? Okay, now we are going to find out what is the remaining with her. Okay, so Anjali is having, Mandhavi is having 2 set of necklace and 3 loose beads. So what will be our answer? What will be our answer?
23, ma'am.
23. Yes. So 2 set of necklace and 3 loose beads, which gives us 23 as the answer. Shall we do this with the mind calculation and find the answer? Whether we have done it correctly or not? Yes. Yes. Let's mark ones and tens. Okay. Yes. First, let's take into consideration of ones place. 5 minus 2. 5 in the mind, 2 in our finger. Before 5, 4, 3. Yes, so 3 ones we have made it correct. Okay, let's move on to the tens place and find the answer. 3 minus 1. Just now we read the property, right? When we subtract minus 1 from any number, we will be getting the before number of it, right? So what is the before number of 3? The before number of 3 is 2. So 2 tens, we have got the answer 2 tens 2. So 23 is our answer. Yes, can you check out with page number 115? See there? The answer they have given us 23. 35 minus 12, which is equal to 23. As such, in the column given there, we too have 2 set of necklace and 3 extra beads. Okay? Yes. So shall we move on to stepwise manner? Turn to page number 116. Turn to page number 116. Okay, in that page number 116, we have two questions A and B. Okay, they have striken out, that means they have taken out set of necklace and also the loose beads. You are going to find out the answer, just you are going to count the tens and ones and you are going to write the answer in the box given there. Okay, yes. So now we are going to see the vertical subtraction without any drawings or without any picturization in your math textbook, page number 116. Okay, we know that when we write two numbers one below the other, it is known as vertical subtraction. When we subtract two numbers, we first subtract the digits at the ones place. We all know that, right? It is a process we are doing from the beginning, right? First we will be doing our ones place and then subtract the digits at the tens place. So see the number they have given here. They have given number as 45 minus 13. So first we have to place it in the correct place values, tens and ones, and then we will be calculating the ones place. Okay, subtract the digits at the ones place and then we will be moving on to the tens place and we will be subtracting and getting the final answer. Okay, yes. Let me give you one sum and you are going to derive the answer for that sum. Okay, in vertical subtraction you need not to draw anything. Okay, just do your mind calculation and say me the answer. Okay, yes. So your question is 95 minus 43. Okay, yes. Yes, do the answer for this. I want you all to do this either in your textbook or in your rough note and derive the answer. Okay, let me also explain in the stepwise manner. Okay, yes, first step is from the right hand side. We will be doing the ones column first, right? We will be doing the ones column first. So here we have 5 minus 3. So 5 in our mind, 3 in the finger. Before 5, 4, 3, 2. So we'll be getting 2 as the answer in the ones place. Once we have finished with the ones place, we'll be moving on to the tens place. So on the tens place, we have numbers of 99 minus 4. 9 minus 4. Okay. So let's again do the mind calculation. 9 in our mind, 4 in our finger. Before 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So we will be having 5 tens. So our answer will be 52. How many of you got the correct answer as 52? Yes, at the last end of the session, I will be checking you out. Those who are typed in the chat box, very good. Jai, Ojashvi, Avanishwar, Sai Lakshmi, Puviri, Kamakshi, Meenakshi. Very good, superb. Very good. And also for those who have tried in your rough note, star for all my dear ones. Satvika, very good. Yes, it's 52. Our answer is 52. Very good. Smiley star for you all. Okay? Yes. Now let's move on to next slide. Okay, hope you all understood the vertical subtraction. Let's move on to the next page number 117. Okay, take page number 117. Page number 117. Okay, yes, there we have subtraction by comparing tens and ones. Subtraction by comparing tens and ones. Okay, we know that we can subtract numbers by comparing them. Yes, so how it is? Anjali has 46 Anjali has 46 B. Okay. So Anjali is having 46 pencils and Rima is having 22 pencils. So we all know how to compare the tens and ones, right? Okay, this will be carried over by Tennamay ma'am. Thank you.
Yes. Anjali is having 46 sticks. So let's 46 pencils. Yes. Rima has 22 pencils. So let's write one below the other. One below the other. Let's write. And then let's take 22 pencils from 42. Yes. Now tell me which is the bigger number, 46 or 22? Which is the bigger number in this, 46 or 22? Yes, very good, Meenakshi. Yes. Jay Avneshwar, yes. 46 is the bigger number. So we will be writing it in the first, and the lower number, lower value, we will be writing it down. Okay. We can do either mind calculation, or we can take away the pencils from Anjali, because Anjali is having more, right? So we are going to take Rima's count pencil with Anjali. Okay, Rima is having 22 pencils. So let's take 22 pencils from Anjali also. Okay, so for 22, how many tens and how many ones? Two tens and two ones. Two tens and two ones. So let's take two bundles and two separate pencils. So how many pencils are remaining? Two full bundle is remaining with four separate pencils. So we will be having two tens and four ones, that is 24. Yes, we can either do it with mind calculation also. 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. Before 6, 5, 4. So 4. Then we will move on to the tens place. 4 in the mind, 2 in the finger. Before 4, 3, 2. So the answer is 24. Either doing the before calculation, or with the cancellation of the objects, we can find out. Now we have got the answer as 24. Now we are going to find out who has more. Who has more? So who has more? Anjali is having more. She's having 24 pencils more than Rima. Yes? Okay. Who has less? Who has less pencil? Yes, Rima is having less pencil. Yes, since she had less pencil, we wrote her in the second, right? Okay. How many more or less? How many more or less? We've got the answer as 24. 24 is more for Anjali or less for Anjali? 24 pencils. Anjali is having more than Rima or less than Rima? More for Anjali, yes. So Anjali is having 24 pencils more than Rima. And Rima is having 24 pencils less than Anjali. Okay? So Anjali has more and Rima has less pencil. Yes, let's see the textbook page number 118. Yes, there are 35 leaves on plant A. Like pencils, we are going to see the plant A and plant B leaves. Okay. So 35 leaves on plant A and 24 leaves on plant B. Which number is more? Plant A or plant B? Which has more leaves? Can I have answers? Yes. Plant A has more. Plant A has more number of leaves. So we will be writing it in the first. And the second number, plant B, 24 leaves is less. So let's write it down in a vertical addition format also. First, let's take out the leaves, whatever the plant B is having. Okay, we will take out from plant A. Because plant B has 24 leaves, plant A has more. So we are going to take off 24 leaves from plant A also. 24 leaves. For 24 leaves, 4 separate leaves we will take and 2 bundles. 2 bundles, that makes 20. Yes. So 20 and 20 separate 4 leaves we will take and we will find out the answer. Yes. So how many bundles are remaining? Only one bundle, that is 10, and one separate leaf 1. So one bundle and one separate leaf, that makes 11. 10 plus 1, 11. So 11 leaves are left. 11 leaves are more. Yes, 11 leaves are more in plant A, whereas 11 leaves are less in plant B. 11 leaves are less in plant B and 11 leaves are more in plant A. Plant A has more number of leaves, right? So the answer is 11. You can do the before calculation also and find out the vertical subtraction. Okay. One below the other, and we can do our mind calculation and find out the same answer. We will be getting 11. So plant B has 11 leaves less than plant A, and plant A has 11 leaves more than plant B. Yes, let's move on to page number 119, textbook. Spot the error. You're going to find out what is the error, okay? Subtract 21 from 32. Subtract 21 from 32. So which is the bigger number? Which is the bigger number? 21 from 32. 21 or 32? 32 is the bigger number. Yes. So we will be writing it in the first. And the lower number 21. See what they have written inside the box. 12. Is it 12 or 21? 2 tens and 1 1 should be written. It is written as 1 10 and 2 ones. So it is wrong. So you will strike out that and you will write 21, 2 tens and 1 1. So the numbers are interchanged. If you interchange the numbers, the whole sum will be wrong. So listen carefully. Instead of 21, they have written 12. So you have to strike out that and interchange and write the correct number, 21. And the answer is also wrong. Yes, if you subtract 21 from 32, your answer also will be wrong. So let's find out the answer also. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. So 11 is the answer. 11 is the answer. Yes, likewise, you will be doing the B and C. You will find out the error and you will be finding the answer also. Subtract 15 from 38. Subtract 15 from 38. So when you subtract 15 from 38, you will be writing the bigger number, yes, 38. From 38, you have to subtract 15. But here they have given 51. They have interchanged the number here also. So you have to write the correct number, 1, 10 and 5 ones, that is 15. So you will be striking out 51 and write 15. and then later you will be writing the answer also. Yes, you will be doing the C sum by yourself. Yes, let's move on to the next. Math textbook page number 120. You are going to use the data and find out the answers. Okay, with the help of this data, you are going to find out. Okay, Ashwin is having 2 bundles of sticks and 7 separate sticks. So that is 27. Banita is having 34 pencils, 34 sticks. Ankita 45, Gaurav 61, Piyush 52. So one bundle is 10. As we all know, one bundle is 10. So let's compare who has more pencil. Look at the first question. Who has more pencil? Who has more pencil? Banita or Ankita? Who has Banita or Ankita has more pencil? Yes. Ankita has more pencil. Yes. She has one bundle and one pencil extra. So she has more pencil. So Ankita has more. So you will be writing Ankita. Who has less pencil? Ashwin or Piyush? Who has less? Yes, Ankita has less pencil. Now we are going to find out how many more and how many less. How many more and how many less. So the first one, Banita and Ankita. So let's write Banita and Ankita's number of pencil first. Yes, one below the other. So who's having more? Ankita is having more. So let's write number 45 first. Minus Banita has 34. So we will be writing 34 down and we will be doing the mind calculation before 5 in our mind, 4 in our finger. Before 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 1 will be the answer for 1's place and 4 in our mind, 3 in our finger. Before 4, 3, 2, 1. So we have got the answer as 11. We have got the answer as 11. So 11 pencils Ankita has more than Banita. So now let's see by striking out. Yes. So Banita is having 34 pencils. So you will take 34 pencils from Ankita also. Yes. 3 bundles and 4 ones. So 3 bundles and 4 ones. Yes. 3 bundles and 4 ones. So you're going to strike out Banita's number of pencil with Ankita. So 3 bundles we will take away and 4 separate pencil. Yes, we will strike out and find out the balance. 1 bundle and 1 separate stick. That is 11. So we have got the answer as 11 pencils. Yes. Likewise, let's find out who has less pencil by comparing Ashwin and Piyush. So let's write the bigger number first. 52 minus 27. See here, 52 minus 27. So we have to break the bundle. Okay? You have to break the bundle. So let's do it in our mind calculation. Here it will be very tricky. You have to break the bundle. Yes. So Let's do the vertical subtraction here, one below the other. Okay. 52 minus 27. Okay. Let me teach with the breaking the bundle itself. 1 second. One second. Stop sharing. Yes. See here, we are going to take 27 pencils from 57. So, yeah, from 52. So, we are going to take 27 pencils. So, now we have to break the bundle because we cannot take 7 from 2, right? See here in one's place, always the bigger number should be in the first, right? So, we cannot take 7 from 2. Just check out 2 in our mind and 7 in our finger. Can you do? No. Always the bigger number should be there on the first. So now let's do the striking out. Okay. Yes. Break the bundle. One bundle has 10 pencils. So you will be drawing 10 pencils. You will, yes, 7 ones. For 7 ones, we have to break the bundle and take 7 sticks because we have only 2 separate sticks outside. So we cannot take. So you will break the bundle. Yes, draw separate 10 lines. Yes, along with this 2 lines. Along with that 2 line, you will be striking out. Okay. See here, 2 separate blue lines that is already there, and for one bundle 10 red sticks have been drawn. Now we are going to take 7 from this. Now we are going to take 7 from this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have taken 7 ones, and let's take 2 bundles, that is 20. 2 bundles, that is 20. So now let's count how many bundles and how many separate sticks are left out. So 2 bundles, that makes 20, and 5 separate pencils, that makes 25. Yes, 5 separate bundles, that is 5 ones, that is 25. 2 tens and 5 ones, that is 25. So 25 pencils Ashwin has less than Piyush. Yes, Piyush is having 25 pencils more than Ashwin, and 25 pencils Ashwin is having less than Piyush. Okay, both are same. Okay, but here you have to write who's having less. So let's write Ashwin has 25 pencils less than Piyush. Okay, children? Yes, now I want my children to open their textbook and workbook exercises and turn on your video and show. Yes, whoever has done the work in rough work can open the note and show us. Meenakshi, yes, superb. Satvika, yes, very good, superb. Ojishwi, yes, showing the textbook, yes, very good, dear. Mahavidya, yes, very good, dear, very good, superb.